Welcome to the SpeedDocs713 family. I'm Dr. Andre Jordan at Dre DDS19. On a tour, follow our lives, man. Like bring you into the medical side, the dental side, bring you into how we play. So all of us are car guys. We unify by a duty to serve folks by virtue of our career and our personalities. But we like what we like. So I want to welcome you to the SpeedDocs713 Nation.
Great.
PCA, Horse Club America, great club, got a lot of events. This sticker right here was actually gifted to me by Dr. Andre Jordan when I first bought the car. And then through my membership, I got to get
so it pops, and that's what gives it that stormtrooper look. I also added a blackout package to it, so all the chrome side pieces on the side of the car, added that out to kind of just, give it a nice little touch. Spoiler, it doesn't normally come with the spoiler, so I added a nice black spoiler to add some more touch to it. And perhaps my favorite feature on the car is the exhaust. I have an M5 competition exhaust.
Red lines at like 8,300 RPM. Stock, it's 450 horsepower, but I've done some tuning closer to 485, 500 horsepower now. And then all-wheel drive, launch control, and all that kind of stuff. I've done carbon fiber, sports seats, you know what I'm saying? I haven't really done much to the inside. Like I said, I really treat this car as my daily driver, but I have a lot of fun with it.
Touchscreen controller here. Got your full screen navigation, media controls, Bluetooth to the phone, as well as car. You actually configure the vent by moving the touchscreen. And underneath, you'll see the vent change direction, matching the position that you choose with your finger.
member of the SpeedDocs713 family. You've seen the whips, you've seen the fellas. Appreciate you tuning in. Appreciate the support. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share, follow, comment, all that. Follow us on IG, follow us everywhere. If you see us, say what's up. We got raps coming, we got performance mods coming. We're gonna try to give y'all the content that you want. You know, this was inspired by all of y'all and our patients and our patrons and our friends. So holla at you.